Click on the link below to get price. The A-iPower 1500-watt portable quiet inverter generator stands out as an exceptional choice for those in search of a reliable and efficient power solution. Weighing in at only 46 pounds, this generator combines portability with performance, making it ideal for camping trips, tailgating, or as a backup power source during outages. One of the most striking features of this generator is its quiet operation. The A-iPower operates at a noise level of just 58 dBA, which is comparable to the sound of a normal conversation. This makes it perfect for use in residential areas or during outdoor activities where noise could be an issue. The inverter technology ensures that the power output is clean and stable, which is vital for sensitive electronics such as smartphones, laptops, and other devices. The 1500-watt output is suitable for powering small appliances, lights, and even some power tools, while the 1200-watt running wattage is sufficient for most basic needs. The generator features 2 AC outlets, a 12V DC outlet, and USB ports, adding to its versatility. The 1-gallon fuel tank provides up to 8 hours of runtime at 25% load, which is impressive considering its size. Starting the generator is hassle-free thanks to the easy pull start mechanism, and the Eco Mode functionality adjusts the engine speed based on the load, allowing for fuel efficiency and extended runtimes. Additionally, the low oil shutdown feature protects the engine from damage, ensuring the longevity of the unit. While the A-iPower 1500-watt generator is not intended for heavy-duty use, its lightweight design and user-friendly features make it an excellent option for those needing portable power without the bulk. Overall, this generator offers a great balance of performance, efficiency, and portability, making it a worthy investment for anyone in need of reliable power on the go.